People who sound like cartoon characters.
Hey, go, fool. I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna fucking kill your ass! You wanna die? Do you want to die? Do you want to die? Is that really what you want?
Oh my god, this chicken is amazing. Bro, what, this is chicken, yeah? This is chicken?
Hey, why are you laughing?
That's what you get for eating my snack.
Open it! Oh my god! Boom! 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 Oh my god!
I'm gonna swing from the chandelier. From the chandelier.